Hello everyone, I am Hakim from Listen and Talk class in the Fodil's course. Okay, in here I want presentation my hobbies. Yeah, my hobbies is hiking to some mountain in Central Java. I already for mountain, but in here I only presentation three mountain in Central Java. Like this picture, yes, Prau Mountain. The first was on Mount Prau. A group of 8 of us hiked to Mount Prau from Yogyakarta to Dieng, Central Java. After arriving at the Prau base camp, we prepared to 3 horse climb to the summit. After reaching the summit, we took some documentation and photos with the beautiful Edelweiss flower. Yes, Edelweiss flowers very beautiful in Indonesian country. Then we found an empty area to rest briefly and enjoy some snacks. Afterward, we decided back to base camp and prepare to return to Yogyakarta city. Yes. Okay, next, the second was on Mount Merbabu. Yes, like this picture in Merbabu Mountain. Okay, in Merbabu Mountain, a group of 6 of us trekked from Yogyakarta to Magelang, Central Java. After arriving at the Merbabu base camp, we focus on prepare our mountaineering equipment. As the mountain is very high at 45 meters above sea level, and it takes 6 hours to reach the summit. Yes, gunungnya sangat tinggi dan memakan waktu 6 jam untuk sampai ke puncak. Okay, usually the mountain trail is very steep, and so we took great care after reaching the summit. We took some documentation in the hot weather. Yes, di puncak cuaca sangat panas, tapi kami tetap ngambil dokumentasi karena itu sangat penting sekali. Okay, next, then we decided to base camp, turn to base camp for about 7 hours. Ya, 7 jam turun ke base camp kembali. Dan setelah itu kami return to Yogyakarta, balik ke Yogyakarta. Okay, next, like this picture for the third Bismo Mount. Yes, Bismo Mount in Central Java in Dieng City. Yes, the third one was on Mount Bismo. There were only 2 of us traveling from Yogyakarta to Magelang. To Dieng, Central Java. Yes, for about 4 hours. Ya, 4 jam kami di perjalanan untuk sampai ke base camp Gunung Bismo. Okay, after arriving at the base camp, we were greeted by rainy weather. Sesampainya di base camp, kami disambut dengan cuaca hujan. Lalu menunggu cuaca reda dulu, baru melanjutkan perjalanan. Yes, we waited for the rain to subside before continue our journey to the summit. Okay, on the way to the summit, we passed several potato fields belonging to local resident. Ya, selama di perjalanan menuju puncak, kami melewati beberapa kebun kentang warga sekitar, dan juga kebun cabai beberapanya. After a 2 hours journey, we reached the summit. Kami sampai ke puncak setelah 2 jam perjalanan. But the weather turned cloudy again. Sesampainya di puncak, cuaca mendung kembali. Ya, setelah 20 menit kemudian hujan lagi dan kami turun ke base camp. But the weather turned cloudy again. The 20 minutes later, it started raining. Raining. Yes, rain. My friend and I immediately put on our raincoats and went back down to the base camp, and we returned to Yogyakarta city and back to home in Yogyakarta. Okay, thanks your attention. Apabila ada salah kata mohon maaf. Terima kasih.